Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss the latest video notifications. Advantages of the F-14 Tomcat. 1 * supersonic speed. The F-14 Tomcat is one of the fastest fighters ever operated by the U.S. Navy, with a top speed of Mach 2*1 for the F-14A and Mach 2*34 for the F-14B and F-14D*. It can even unofficially reach speeds of up to Mach 2*5, thanks in part to its powerful General Electric F-110 G400 engine. 2 * variable geometry wing. The F-14's variable sweep wing can change automatically to optimize its performance at different speeds *. This feature enables improved combat performance and better stability during a wide range of flight conditions *. 3 * heavy payload. The F-14 Tomcat can carry large payloads, making it a versatile and powerful aircraft *. The aircraft can carry heavy radar systems, such as the Sanop G-71 radar, and advanced missiles, such as the AIM-54 Phoenix, which has a range of up to 190 kilometers and can intercept enemy aircraft and missiles *. 4 * air superiority. The F-14 was designed as an air superiority fighter, capable of dominating the skies and deterring potential threats *. Its variable sweep wings, along with twin tail fins, provide superior stability and maneuverability *. 5 * supersonic high wing. The F-14's wings can sweep up to 75 degrees for supersonic flight, increasing its speed and performance *. The ability to adjust wing sweep in flight is a technological advantage *. Disadvantages of the F-14 Tomcat. 1 * complexity. The F-14 Tomcat has a complex wing system, requiring advanced technology and 2 pilots to operate effectively *. This complexity can make maintenance and operation more challenging compared to single-pilot fighters *. 2 * weight. The F-14 is a heavy aircraft weighing almost 20 tons with folding wings *. This weight can limit its agility and maneuverability, especially in air combat situations where lighter aircraft may have an advantage *. 3 * slow wing folding. The process of folding the F-14's wings is slow and requires a lot of time and effort due to the weight of the aircraft *. These limitations can affect his ability to respond quickly to certain situations *. 4 * limited dogfighting capabilities. Some critics argue that the F-14 is less suited for close-range dogfighting than rival aircraft, such as the F/A-18 Hornet *. The F-14's design initially focused on its role as a long-range naval deterrent *. 5 * wing complexity and lift. Although variable sweep wings offer advantages, they also add complexity to the aircraft design *. Additionally, wings can provide lift and support, but can pose challenges due to their complex systems *. In short, the F-14 Tomcat offers tremendous speed, versatility, and air superiority capabilities. But its complexity, weight, and limitations in close combat scenarios are noteworthy drawbacks *.